Well, Linda Vader here is your personal shopper, or at least that's what some of you called me after one of the videos we did last week. And today I'm going to be your personal Amazon Prime shopper, because a lot of the things that I get on repeat are on special on Prime to yesterday and today. And I want to share some of those things with you because you might want to take advantage of them as well. Now, I'll put a link below to all of my Amazon Prime favorites, including some things like my beloved Works blower and my metal garden hose. Those are both on Prime, so you might want to check those out. Actually, check out the entire list. And by the way, we will still have our regular Wednesday walkabout go up later this afternoon. This is just an additional perk because Prime Day, the last day for October, is today. Okay, so here are some of the things. Number one, of course, the first thing I'm going to show you is not on Prime, but I am going to show you the weighted vest. I showed you a different one before that was a lot heavier. This is the one that I ordered in its place, and yesterday I did about 7,000 steps with this 5-pound weighted vest. It's easy off, easy on, and I'll put a link below because this one is not on Prime. What is on Prime? Some of my favorite things. You guys have seen me wear these sweatshirts on repeat. They come in all sorts of different colors. My bestie Deborah told me about them. These are on Prime. I bought a couple of these, one because yes, I already had one, but it had grown so dull. I got another apple fruit slicer. I also got one for my kiddos as a stocking stuffer.
My whole life not knowing those existed.
Oh, and they're wonderful.
Really wonderful.
I should have gotten one for you, Stuart. Okay, something else that I use on repeat in my Keurig are the Amazon dark roast pods. I have these on, actually one of the few things that I subscribe to, but these are on deep discount right now, so I bought an extra pot of these. I also, because I eat these regularly, I also got some of these protein bars that I told you about not too long ago to really get your protein gram intake up, and I bought several boxes of these again because they're on deep discount. Now, some other kind of personal body cosmetic type things, some healthcare things that I buy on repeat, starting with number one, the absolutely essential sunscreen. I love both of these, and these are on deep discount right now. It's the Neutrogena Ultra Sheer Face Serum. I like it because it's so lightweight and it really disappears, so I got some of that. Speaking of disappearing, this stuff is really popular right now. It's Lumify. It's eye whitening drops. Some of you have said recently, did you have a facelift? No, I didn't have a facelift, but I have been using these Lumify drops because they make your eyes look a lot less red and I think a little bit less tired. I really like them, and I just bought another bottle of these as well on Prime. I have used, I don't know how many bottles of this ferulic acid, this vitamin C serum. I go through it quite quickly. There are a number of different brands of this that are similar. The high-end brand is, I believe it's SkinCeuticals Ferulic C acid, but this is a dupe. It works just as well. I have used it for years. I love it. It's their Day Glow Serum. It is on deep discount now. Something else, speaking of white, glowing, illuminating, Crest white strips. Always I put these in my kiddos' stocking at Christmas time. These are on discount now. What I like about this is just the super fast 2-day whitening program. It's got 2 applications for an hour each. These can be pricey, and I think they're almost half price or something like that on sale right now. Okay, let's talk about not only skin health, but let's talk about gastrointestinal health. It's important. Stuart and I talk about this frequently. I've even gifted him some of this. Clearlax. This is the generic version of Miralax. I use this on a daily basis. Those of you who have followed me for years know that I have gastrointestinal issues, and I use this every morning in my cup of coffee, and it works great. This is on deep discount, so I have ordered some of this. That's just a few of some of the things that are on discount. I also bought a tiny little printer. I bought a second ring doorbell. I'm considering getting an updated Apple Watch because this is indispensable to me. I couldn't live without my Apple Watch. That is on deep discount. Stuart, you said you saw something.
I got some fun neon lights and stuff.
Some fun neon lights. Anyhow, there's lots of stuff on discount. I will put my Linda Vaughter favorites, October 8th and 9th Prime specials in a comprehensive list below. You can also just go into your favorite browser and put in Linda Vaughter's Amazon favorite shop, and you will get all of my favorites, whether they're on Prime Day or not, things that I have recommended over time. So this is just a quick little hop on to let you know what's in my Amazon Prime Day cart today.